Welcome to my channel, I'm Bea. My channel is about art journaling, mixed media, collage, assemblage and anything else that sparks my interest. Now enjoy my video. Hi all! Today we're gonna play again with the mystery envelope. For those who don't know, I do fill envelopes with mostly vintage goodies like this image from old-fashioned illustration. They are German or French. I think there are also some other European countries. They are from about 1880 until 1920. I have a whole stack of them and I sent them out. And I also have vintage buttons. Sometimes I have pieces from the old custom jewelry, the vintage custom jewelry. I have ephemera. I have vintage napkins, so I fill these envelopes with all kind of goodies for them to play with. And just by the way, I do sell those in my shop too. You can find it in my shop on my website www.beagrog.com. I will have put the link in there. And I also have the links for all the artists who are playing the game with me. They're free to use, whatever they want. About 75% would be nice, but they don't have use everything, and then they can add also things from their own stuff, and that's what I'm actually gonna do too. I'm gonna add these things from my stuff to the collage I'm gonna do. And I also did scan my piece just because I want to adapt the size to the head here. that's the main reason why I did scan it. So, and as a little bit of a goodie, I will have this scan in my Facebook group, Bea's Mixed Media and More, for you to play. So you can have some fun too. Okay, with no further ado, I'm gonna make me some room and then we'll start. I'm gonna work on a piece 8 by 8 inch. It's well, some heavier paper. It was in my stash. And I'm gonna start with some collaging. I want the background. What I want. So this is from 1905. Do I want this or do I want that? And if I put that, I think I'm gonna go for this part. It's a very fragile paper, so it's really old. So I'm simply gonna tear it. And I think I want it like that. Okay. There's not a lot left here, huh? Okay. Now it's the question, to gesso or not to gesso? I think I'm going to gesso a little bit. It's a little bit too dark for my taste. and at the same time I can fix my non-sticking parts. Gesso acts as a glue too. So while the background is drying over there, I'm gonna cut out the pieces I want to use, and I probably don't need the whole lady. I'm gonna speed up this part. So I also want this fabric. I'm not sure which part I want. So collage for me is a lot of trying out and adding, taking away. Okay, I think I don't want as much of this fabric. I'm probably gonna go over again with gesso, and I want the green. So I'm gonna use the soft gel for sure for this fabric, and I'm gonna use quite a bit. To stick down fabric you need quite a bit. And I'm gonna go over the fabric too. So the gel looks a little bit whitish now, but it's gonna dry clear, so no worries. So, as I said, I'm gonna go around with the black. There's either the Stabilo All, which I mentioned, it's a water-soluble graphite, or what I also like is from Art Graph. It's a 6B VR Portugal. It's it has the same effect with as the Stabilo All. I just want to give a little bit of an outline. And I went over with the gesso here on that stick from the, I guess it's an umbrella, I would say so. So I make that more visible again and activate with water, which makes it even darker. I might even go in here. Yep. Sometimes it takes several layers until you're happy, so just adding. So there are two ways how you can use it. You can either draw first and then wet it a little bit, and sometimes I find it easier if I wet it first and then draw. Especially on the fabric it seems to work better. That was wrong. So to add the buttons, I use the gel medium. I think that's a little bit easier. I simply dip them into the gel and then add them to my collage. Try to be somewhat straight. I know you hardly can see them. Here they are. So this what is it called? Laminated paper, you know, and some heavy books. Leaving them overnight, and hopefully the collage will be flat. I will have a picture of the finished product at the end of the video. I hope to see you soon again. Take care!